This is Chris from ModeMunch and welcome to another fast food fight. The show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them to make them look and taste like the retail products, all whilst reducing the cost. Imagine Australian chicken breast in a crispy tempura with crispy jalapenos and spicy jalapeno mayonnaise, crispy lettuce, cheese in between a lightly toasted sesame seed bun. Lovely. They forgot the lettuce. Hopefully they didn't forget to cook the chook, otherwise me bum may run. They didn't forget to charge me $7.60 for the fekkin thing though, did they? Subscribe or rub peanut butter on my nipples and chase anaphylactic peanut allergy patients around screaming, "Exterminate, exterminate!" So butterfly and bash a chook tit. Hack up a jalapeno and chuck it into some butter. Made from flour, garlic salt, black pepper, onion salt, honey and milk, give the breast a quick toss. Boil some oil in a wok and add the jalapeno caps. Cook until brown. Add your chicken breast fillet in and cook until golden. Add some butter to a fry pan. Cut up your bread bun. Toast it in the butter. Make the jalapeno mayo from adding into a blender olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, 1 egg, white wine vinegar, and of course 1 jalapeno. Mayo on the heel. Cheese. Lettuce. Extra crunchy tempura fillet. Jalapeno caps and some mayo on the crown. Came in a smidge under $3.50. This has been Chris from ModeMunch, and I'll see you next Tuesday.